Guys, today I will go through how to use the MightyMe sales invoicing system. So you'll see a MightyMe file over here. You double click, you'll bring you to the login page, so you can start to log in. This login will be configured at the employees database. So after I log in, I will be able to see various database like sales invoice, credit note, sales payment, statement of account, database, and reports. First, you need to configure the database with all the services. So you can create a new services, and you can give a service code. For example, if I want to have a school fees, so maybe I give it fee 00001, and then school fees. And then the category you can say is a child care school fees. So you will need to click subsidy because the child care fees will have a subsidy, and the unit will be month, and you can save it. Then you can create other services like excursions. So let's say we create a excursion 00001. So excursion to maybe zoo, so you can give it a category excursion, but this one doesn't have subsidy, so will be per trip or per child or whatever. So you can save. So now I have two services in my database. So once you have the services, you can enter in the child details. So I've already keyed in two children details, and if you want to look at the list, you can print, and then if you want to export it to Excel or PDF, you can actually export to PDF. Then to create a new child, you can click new, and you can see that you can key in the NIC, child name, trustee, date of birth, enroll date, the payment, bank account, the subsidies, so basic subsidy, additional subsidy, and financial subsidy for the child. And then you can put in the email and telephone numbers and their address and so on. So to give an idea, I have two children, so I have already created this Ang Pei Sian as the trustee, and Coley Lim, who is a child. And then one thing, you can actually add an email for. So for example, I can add my email, right? So I save the child. For the other one, I have another email. So once that's done, let's say you have 100 children, is okay. You can just keep on keying in the employee. You can key in the employee's details. So I've keyed in Ethan's information over here, but he can complete more of those as well. Then company basically will allow you to change the company details, which will be shown in some of the invoices and credit notes. So you can key in the GST registration number. You can change the logo here. I've already put the MightyMe logo over here. So once it's done, you can also create the roles and permissions of each and for a role which will be included in each employee. So so for the master, I've enabled everything, so you can create more roles. So under employee, you can see that you can choose roles from here. So this is how you use the database.